how can you put your phone in the focus mode and lock it on your Android, right? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, the focus modes might be like two things. First of all, you might have it inside of the camera, like focusing on a subject, or also using the focus mode to like filter out like notifications and whatnot. So at first, inside of the camera, of course, to lock the focus, make sure you are in the regular video mode. You can tap on the thing on the subject which you want to focus on, and then you can just hold down on it for it to be locked, right? So that's something which you can do if you mean the camera approach. If you mean, of course, the other thing like the focus mode for the modes and routines and filtering and that kind of thing, well, you can of course just open up the settings, go to the modes and routines, and set up individual focus modes. But the point is that if you don't want it to be turned off like automatically, right, make sure that the duration is until I turn off, right? Because it might be set up for a set amount of hours or minutes, right? And after that time it's going to return back to normal. And if you want to like lock it in place, make sure that it's turn on until you manually turn it back off. And this should prevent it from stopping the functionality randomly, right? So that is likely the thing you had in mind. If you by any chance mean some kind of like parenting tools, then you should probably check out the Family Link, which is a completely different app, but that is kind of like another way to kind of like lock features for, let's say, children or whatever. But that's a completely different thing. So let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I tried to be as comprehensive as possible and try to cover all of the things which you could have in mind. So let me know about it below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you later.